welcome to your journey of inner peace and self-discovery. Whether you've heard about meditation from friends, read about it online, or simply felt a calling to explore it, you're in the right place. This video is your simple, no-nonsense guide to meditation for beginners. So, what exactly is meditation? At its core, meditation is a practice of focused attention and mindfulness. It's a way to train your mind, to observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them, and to find a sense of calm in the midst of life's chaos. It's not about emptying your mind or forcing yourself to be happy. Meditation is about being present with whatever is happening in your mind and body, and learning to respond to it with awareness rather than reactivity. Why should you meditate? The benefits of meditation are vast, and they can impact every area of your life. It reduces stress, enhances self-awareness, improves focus, and even promotes better sleep. But perhaps the most profound benefit is the connection you build with yourself, a deeper understanding of who you are and how you relate to the world. Before we dive into the practice, let's clear up some common myths. You don't need to sit cross-legged on the floor to meditate, and you definitely don't need to silence your mind completely. Meditation isn't about perfection. It's about practice. And you can do it anywhere, sitting on a chair, lying down, or even while walking. Let's get started with a simple meditation. Find a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor or cross-legged on a cushion. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the weight of your body grounding you. Now, focus on your breath. Notice how it feels as it enters your nose, fills your lungs, and leaves your body. You might notice your mind wandering, that's okay. When it happens, gently bring your attention back to your breath. There's no need to judge yourself. This is part of the process. Start with just a few minutes a day, and gradually increase the time as you feel more comfortable. Remember, the goal isn't to achieve anything specific. It's to simply be. Here are a few tips to help you stay consistent. Number 1. Set a regular time for your meditation. Number 2. Start with small goals, maybe just 5 minutes a day. Number 3. Use a meditation app or timer to guide you. Number 4. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Starting a meditation practice is like planting a seed. With time, patience and care, it will grow into a source of peace and strength in your life. Remember, it's not about doing it perfectly, but about showing up for yourself every day. In the next video, we will go to our another step for the series. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on meditation and spiritual growth. And feel free to leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take a deep breath and enjoy the journey within.